In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 benefits of owning an overseas property investment to help you extend your investing horizon, create another source of income, grow your wealth or fund your retirement. Hi, we are Wealthy Life and our goal is for you to set up a life you don't need to escape from. Here we share our expertise on moving abroad and overseas property investments. You probably already know that real estate investing is a smart and stable way to earn a passive income and build wealth. But should you consider overseas property investment? There are many reasons why you should consider it. So we've created this video to highlight the 6 most important benefits. Make sure you stick around to the end, because we're also going to share with you 2 countries that are the best for overseas property investments this year. Diversification. Though the majority of investors are aware of the need for portfolio diversification, many who invest in real estate still favor local markets over overseas property investments. International diversification reduces the risk of investment portfolios, because asset returns in different countries are not perfectly correlated. Markets move in different or even opposite directions. You should never put all of your eggs in one basket, since doing so carries too much risk and might cause you to lose everything if the economy crashes. On the other hand, you get not just a more diverse real estate investment portfolio with higher returns, but you also gain a worldwide advantage in increasing your real estate networks and total experience. You extend your knowledge and gain a deeper understanding of both the micro and macro real estate markets. You place no restrictions on what you can accomplish. Accessibility and globalization. Technology is transforming how we communicate, live our lives, and conduct business in the modern world. It is facilitating accessibility, ease of use, and speed. We are becoming more computer aware and are able to access all types of information, learn new things, and stay connected in faster and more efficient ways thanks to technology and globalization. Having said that, everyone may invest in foreign real estate thanks to the internet. Asset protection. Investing in overseas properties is one of the best methods for protecting personal assets. Choose a nation where seizing that property is almost impossible, and you will have a safe and secure nest egg. You protect yourself from all types of problems and instability that may arise at home. Government insurance. International real estate not only works to safeguard your assets, but also serves as a type of government insurance in the event of major economic or political instability. Insurance ensures that, in the case of an accident or other unforeseen scenario, some type of expense or loss will be covered. In return for a particular payment, you receive protection. Non-reportable asset. One of the few methods for US citizens to legitimately have a non-reportable asset is through overseas property investments. A large portion of your assets must be reported. There are 2, though, that you don't have to report: gold and overseas real estate. United States citizens who own foreign real estate will have to report their rental income if they rent the real estate to tenants. When you sell it, if you're still a US citizen, you'll have to pay capital gains taxes, but you can relax until then knowing that you have a pretty secure asset that is also non-reportable. Tax advantages. Another advantage of investing in property abroad is that it may provide tax benefits. In some situations, you may be able to reduce your capital gains tax rate or even avoid paying taxes on your investment income entirely. The Overseas Earned Income Exclusion, which allows investors to deduct up to $102,100 of income from taxes, is one typical benefit. This exception applies to both wages and investment income, thus lowering the tax rate on foreign profits. Furthermore, several governments provide specific tax breaks, such as tax-free zones, to international investors. However, it is critical to consult with a competent tax advisor to ensure that you are taking full advantage of all potential benefits. Higher rental return and strong capital growth. The main reason people think about overseas property investment is to get a higher return because you are not limiting yourself to one market. International real estate allows investors to profit from both booming and contracting markets. In most developed places, you're not going to see huge profits from your real estate investments. These are places like Sydney, London, or New York. However, in some markets, which have demographics supporting them and are still growing, you can get a higher return. But keep in mind that higher returns may also be associated with a greater risk of downside. Earlier in the video I said, I'm going to share with you 2 countries that are the best for overseas property investments this year. So here we are. UAE. One of the biggest advantages of purchasing overseas properties in Dubai is that people from all over the world are coming here in search of better career, business opportunities, and quality of life. the real estate market provides a wealth of advantageous investment choices and tax perks. Portugal. Portugal maintains its top spot as a great real estate investment. This popularity is due to its safety, quality of life, golden visa program and the vast number of visitors that travel to Portugal each year. This makes renting out homes as vacation rentals for short stays a lucrative source of income, because there is a strong demand for lodging all year long. Actually, besides these two countries, there are a lot of different options out there for overseas property investment. So we've created another video with the top 6 countries to buy property this year, taking into account the restrictions on foreigners imposed by each country. I'll see you there.